Previously on this old outboard.
So Tracy's swapping his boats out. I guess he's doing it by himself. I knew he was going to do it today, and I was calling him just as he pulled in with the empty trailer, little trailer. So the whaler's back in the water, and he said it was a little sputtering a little bit. And that's why I called him. I said, call me if you get stuck. It's a pain in the butt, man, doing it by yourself. Oh, here he comes. Look at there. Right on Shizhizu. So you say it was spitting a little bit? Let's dial her in, man. See what this thing sounds like. We fired it up in the barrel at my house, which you'll see, or already have seen. This way I'll have a chance to take it out and run it and do a comparison. Fire right up. Do a comparison on the speeds. Uh-oh. It's freaking weeds, man. Look at my prop, looks like it's been growing. The prop. They've been on there for a week. Yeah, she's popping. Let's see what we got on here. What I'm going to do is just put this carburetor at 1.5 out to start, see where we're at. So there's a half, there's a whole, there's a half.
That's what she said.
So almost 2 full turns out. It shouldn't be really popping like that. There's a half, there's a whole. There's a half. Alright, let's see where my... Of course I can't see, because I'm freaking blind. See where my marks are on the cam. That looks good. Alright. Fire it up. Wow. Well, let's take her out.
It runs.
There's 2.5. See what happens. Much better. I'm gonna bring her in until she sneezes. Whoa. Sneezing a little bit already. It's like 2 3/4. Back in, see where she starts sneezing at. less, probably not even barely warmed up, right there. So about quarter to a half a turn, back out. Get some of that brake cleaner and shoot a little bit in there. Make sure she not clogging up there. Didn't even look like anything went in there. It's a small orifice. Alright. Put my hand on it, it's still nice and cold. I guess because the water's so cold. Still sounds like it's got a little mist. Get it out there and put it in forward and idle it along, see what it sounds like. Take it for a quick run, man. Then I want to run it real quick one time. Do the GPS so I got something to compare mine to.
Well, you go ahead then.
Alright, I was going to get my boat set up just in case. So if you want to go first, it's up to you.
I trust you now. But you can set up if you want.
Yeah, let me set my boat up. Bring the tank down. Fire it up, warm it up, get all the weeds off the prop, just in case anything happens. And let it run and warm up. Alright, looks like I'm going to go first. My boat's ready if I need to be rescued. Hey. Now, he said that halfway coming over here from the ramp that the thing stopped peeing again. I'm like, great. Doesn't make any friggin' sense. He says, you think it could need a new pump? And I says, I guess anything's possible. And I'm pretty sure when I put this thing together originally, I went through all that crap. But that's been a couple years now, at least, right? Then I said, well, maybe because the pump is so good, it's sucking all these weeds in there and stopping the water flow. So I'll keep an eye on it and see what happens. Am I untied?
Yeah.
Ooh, fish just jumped right there. Come on, phone. Work with me, baby. 3 miles an hour. It's not going to be one of those days again. She's still peeing. All right. Did he change the pin on this thing? I don't know. 17. Miles an hour. So now I feel much better. 23 with a 25 horse in this boat. All my 25s used to average 24, 25, once in a while 26 on my aluminum John boat. See what's happening over there, find a little cleaner water on that side. I might have had weeds on there too. I can't stand that front end going up like that, man. There's 14, 15, 16. I'm not, you know, I'm just cruising. Got it one up, one down from the top spot. That's why it's porpoising so bad. Man, I'm telling you, it's like Mr. Toad's Wild Frickin' Ride. No wonder they want to get rid of that out at Disney. Still peeing. I think he's just friggin' blind or something. When I first turned around, I'm like, where's it at? There it is. Alright, this looks pretty good. We'll give it a shot. I know there's grass in here. Wait a minute, let me check the prop first. Doing 23 miles an hour. I wonder, let me see if I can change that pin. Alright, I changed it. The weeds that were on it, This thing needs something. Too loose, man. See how loose this is? For me, too loose. Let me get out a little farther. See there, no porpoising. Much faster. All right, now that it's not porpoising, I'm not worried about the smoother water. All right, I'm at 4. Bumping between 22 and 23. So it didn't really pick up any speed changing the pin, but sure stopped that porpoising till I hit these waves. Man. So yeah, 23, 22, we'll call it 23. And I was doing 27, and that was before I put the big intake on. Boat was much peppier, totally different, like 2 different motors. It looks weed free to me, it's still peeing. Man, you just can't escape them. They're everywhere. I can see the weeds from up here. Still peeing. I looked down for a brief second. I didn't want to take my eyes off of what was going on. It looked like 25. I couldn't tell. Let's go over to the little lake. There's no weeds. It's too deep. They can't grow over there. It's a big sinkhole. So I turned that car back out about a quarter turn. It's still popping a little bit. To the other lake. 23. Alright, that's good enough for me. That's a good run right through there. So 24 miles an hour. I'll take it. Probably because I moved the pin down. We'll go over there anyway. Yes, it's still peeing. This water on this side is like brackish. It's always dirty for some reason. I think because it's so deep it can't grow weeds because the sun can't get down there far enough, and it's always dirty. powering my boat, my motor. 25 solid sounds much better to me. They said that's where most of my motors would run, average 24, 25, 26 on my aluminum John boat. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm done. I'm convinced 25. So with my motor, I was hitting 27, and the difference between 25 and 30 not going to be a whole lot. It's going to be more in power. But I put that bigger jet in there. We'll get it figured out. Got the big intake on it now. Should do better than 27. See, now you're looking at the chop from the other side. You're going that way, doesn't look quite as bad. This is the choppiest corner. And it throws this little boat around, boy, I tell you what. Still peeing. Alright, so the butterfly was opening a little bit too fast before it got in the middle of the 2 marks, the timing marks. I reset that, and sounds pretty good. Adjusted my stop screw, idle stop screw a little bit. It's coming down a little too far. Yeah, this little thing, man, was hauling ass.
Oh yeah, baby.